హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఏపీటీజీ టెట్ డిఎస్సి లెట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ ఛానల్. తెలంగాణ టెట్ కోసం అని చెప్పి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ 2025లో జరిగిన తెలంగాణ టెట్ ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ నుంచి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ సైకాలజీ బిట్స్ అయితే మీ ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చాను. సో వీడియో ఎండింగ్ వరకు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, అకార్డింగ్ టు ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ యూనిఫార్మిటీ ఆఫ్ ప్యాటర్న్, ద డెవలప్మెంట్ దట్ ఫాలోస్ ఎ డెఫినెట్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఇన్ ఆల్ చిల్డ్రన్ అమాంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇస్ మోటార్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ డెవలప్మెంట్. సో వీటిలో ఆప్షన్స్ నైదర్ ఏ నార్ బి, అంటే ఏ బి రెండు కావు, బి ఓన్లీ, ఏ ఓన్లీ ఆర్ బోత్ ఏ అండ్ బి. సో కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమనుకుంటున్నారో దాన్ని గెస్ట్ చేసి కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. సో ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి ఏ అండ్ బి రెండు కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనమాట సీక్వెన్స్లో. సో సెకండ్ బిట్, చేంజ్ దట్ అక్కర్స్ ఇన్ అన్ ఇండివిజువల్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ సెల్యులర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఓన్లీ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్స్ మోటివేషన్, development, learning, growth. So correct answer is growth. Next question, a person reaches maximum mental level about the age of 40 years, 20 years, 10 years, 50 years. So correct answer is 20 years. Next question, 4 years old Vasavi wanted to drink tea from her grandmother's cup but stopped because she is afraid that her mother will hit her. According to Kohlberg, Vasavi is in this stage of moral development. Stage 3 of conventional morality, stage 1 of pre-conventional morality level, stage 4 of conventional morality, stage 2 of pre-conventional morality. So correct answer is stage 1 of pre-conventional morality level. Next question. 6 years old Anup is unable to realize that when he moves to the higher classes, his classmates will also move to the higher classes. The concept of Piaget's cognitive development theory that has not developed in Anup is egocentrism, animism, reversibility, equilibration. So correct option is 3, reversibility. So next question. According to Erikson, the developmental stage during which an individual tries to integrate many roles into their self-image is early childhood, preschooler, adolescent, infancy. So correct answer, adolescent. To introduce a new concept to grade 3 students, Shanti, the teacher, brought various teaching learning materials to the class so that they act as motivating force for the children to learn about the concept. Shanti here is trying to create this among the students: interest, aptitude, intelligence, habit. So correct answer is interest, to create interest. Next question. Among the following, intelligence can be understood as mental abilities, knowledge, memory, academic performance. Correct answer is mental abilities. So first option. Chotu and Motu are twin brothers. Chotu gets irritated when anyone touches his things, while Motu readily shares his things. The fact about personality that can be understood from this example is that personality is unique, dynamic, static, never changes. So correct option is unique. Every personality is unique. Now next question. Chirag, who was keen to study in IIT, topped the entrance exam. He has selected to study in the IIT that is in his hometown, though it is not among the top ranked IITs because his mother had many health issues. Chirag's action shows interest, conflict, aptitude, adjustment. So, correct option, adjustment. A teacher has demonstrated the procedure of conducting a science experiment and has asked the students to repeat the same experiment. When the students were doing the experiment, the teacher was seeing how they are conducting the experiment. This type of observation is informal, formal, non formal, and natural. So, correct option is 2, formal. Next question. In this method, the teacher makes note of the behavior of the students in various activities and interprets behavior. So, first option, projective technique. Second, cross sectional design. Anecdotal record, introspection. So, correct option is 3, anecdotal record. Next, identify the incorrect statement relating to learning. First option, learning can also lead to negative behavior. A thing once learned cannot be unlearned. Learning helps in adjustment. Learning is universe. సో ఇందులో రాంగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏంటో అది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ద ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ రాంగ్ వన్. లెర్నింగ్ కెన్ ఆల్సో లీడ్ టు నెగిటివ్ బిహేవియర్, ఇది రాంగ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ పాజిటివ్ రీఎన్ఫోర్సర్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్, ఏ మదర్ నాట్ అలోయింగ్ హర్ డాటర్ టు గో ఫర్ హర్ ఫేవరెట్ మ్యూజిక్ క్లాస్ యాజ్ షీ డిడ్ నాట్ కంప్లీట్ హర్ హోంవర్క్. Second option, a mother not taking her daughter to park because She hit her younger brother. Third option, a mother giving a chocolate to her daughter when she cleaned her play area. Option 4, a father stopping his son from joining him for morning walk as the son shouted at his mother. So correct option is 3. A mother giving a chocolate to her daughter when she cleaned her play area. So next question. Next question. Operant conditioning has shown that learning will be more effective if learner gets rapid feedback on accuracy of learning. Learner is allowed to learn at own pace. Wait till the learner is ready. Choose the correct answer. Option B and C. A, B, C. Moodu correct. A and C are correct. A and B are correct. So correct option is 4. A and B only. So next question. In a class, a teacher asked her students to group the objects according to their shape. The primary factor of grouping here is similarity, proximity, closure, complexity. So, correct answer is first one, similarity. Next, which among the following indicates scaffolding put forth by Vygotsky? So, first option, giving verbal instructions, asking questions and giving hints, demonstrating a task, simplifying the process of problem solving. So, options are first option, B, C, and D only, A, B, C, and D, A, C, and D only, A, B, C, and only. So, ఇందులో కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి సెకండ్ వన్ ఏబిసిడి మొత్తం 4 కూడా కరెక్ట్ అనమాట. Next question. A mother asked her son to recall all the places they visited during the last 1 year. This example relates to the cognitive domain is application, comprehension, knowledge, understanding. So correct option is 3, knowledge. Incentive among the following is hunger, prize, achievement, interest. Correct option, second one, prize. Identify the correct pairs. Encoding memory, storage retention, retrieval recall. Choose the correct answers. So first option is A and B only, A and C only, A, B, C, B and C only. So correct option is 3, A, B and C also. Next, when learning of English grammar helped in learning of French grammar, it is positive transfer, negative transfer, zero transfer, bilateral transfer. So correct option, positive transfer, first option. Next question. This style of teacher may lead to dependency among students. Laissez-faire, authoritative, democratic, authoritarian. Correct answer is fourth option, authoritarian. Next question. The disability category to which a student who otherwise appears clever but makes mistakes in spellings like reading, but as stub and 16 as 61 belongs to low motor ability, low vision, learning disability, slow learner. So correct option is learning disability. Next question. A teacher can know how far she has achieved the learning objectives of the lesson during pre-active, post-active, interactive, initial phase. So correct option 2, post-active. Next, the term used by Bruner to denote fundamental ideas, relationships, or patterns of subject matter. First option, structure, pattern, form, whole. Correct answer is first one, structure. Next, a person facing difficulty due to cultural differences at the new place to which he moved due to transfer requires. So, first option, electric guidance, occasional guidance, educational guidance, personal guidance. So, correct option is personal guidance. Next, which among the following categories indicates the specific time spent on relevant academic activities? So, first option, allotted time, available time, academic learning time, transition time. The correct option is third one, academic learning time. Next question, one of the following is not a feature of an activity to be given to the students. First option, interesting to the learner, rote memorization, meaningful from learner's point of view, scope for thinking for the learner. So correct option is 2, rote memorization. Next question, identify the incorrect statement relating to the teacher-centered instruction. Option 1, teacher-centered instruction is not systematic. Teacher plays pivotal role in designing and implementing activities. Demonstration method is a type of teacher-centered instruction. Teacher determines the activities that students have to be engaged in during the process of instruction. So, ఇందులో కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ వన్, టీచర్ సెంటర్డ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఈస్ నాట్ సిస్టమాటిక్. నెక్స్ట్, ఎఫెక్టివ్ టీచర్స్ emphasize prescribed textbook only, receptive learning, test orientation, discovery learning. So correct option is fourth one, discovery learning. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు ఈ వీడియో ఎంతో కొంత హెల్ప్ అయింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీకు కానీ హెల్ప్ అయితే డెఫినెట్గా వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ ముందు ముందు ఇంకా మంచి వీడియోస్ వస్తాయి. సో మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ హిట్ చేయండి, సో దట్ నేను వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేయగానే మీకైతే నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ప్రిపరేషన్. బై.